There I was, a seasoned journalist, ready for retirement, and seeking solace in a centuries-old manor nestled deep in the English countryside. But the tranquility I had sought was a facade, hiding a chilling secret within its ancient stone walls. As I unpacked my belongings, I heard them first as faint echoes, soft whispers and sinister laughter, like a distant radio playing a tune from ages long past. It was unnerving, but the allure of the mystery was impossible to resist. Delving into the manor's history, I uncovered tales of its former residents, the Pembridge family, known for their eccentricity and rumored occult practices. As days turned into weeks, the whispers grew louder, echoing through the silent halls at night, unintelligible words that hinted at a dark sacrificial ritual. Then, one cold winter evening, I found a hidden chamber. It was a frightful room, covered in dust and cobwebs, in the center of which the skeletal remains of what appeared to be the members of the Pembridge family were,